Welcome to the leading site news.
Constituent Assembly debate serta Kipudo. Hill Area Minister ke pavedet sita chok wala da Kipudo. Sita non ke pedokok lo, baru pedokok lo, sita inglong asosi Hill Area Minister bom lo prang menta. Captain Sangma ta Hill Area Minister lo. Maham Singh ta Hill Area Minister lo. La Pike Satro Singh Terona ke hai ta Hill Area Minister lo. La Pike Dhoniram Rongpia ke hai ta Hill Area Minister lo. La Pike Gandhiram Timung ta Hill Area Minister man lo. La pen ke Barelong Terang ta man lo. La pen ke Dorsing Terang ta man lo. La pen nona pi sum rong hang ake hai ta man lo. Son si ilitum 6 schedule area ke 6 schedule amonit si lang bom lo. Seta non ke ilitum adet karbialong ri la pen di mahasau anta bongo sena atung ki puateng si bongo bhumi kapet chong ji anat si non pon bom lo non bongo sena amunit si ba bongo sena pen alang li kachechini dota thek alang li methang mat ke bongo sena ka lidet mene seta alang li tum akhei si non ke ilitum ara det ahem pu man lo aja ka tunge pulo la ke minister cho CEM si jata claim ji pulo chief executive member si jata claim ji pulo ahok lo 6 schedule jong si pang tang pe meji pulo tang te ahok lo 6 schedule chief executive member si jata claim ji ahok alam lata seta Pharo Krisir Kepra Troxir Kepra Poninkan Pharo Krisir Kepra Troxir Kepra Poninkan 6 schedule constitution amendment along isi governor ajakong papawai to that si aphuthak with the recommendations of the governor with respect thereto we can talk do hala swadim ke non ke the government of the state pusi talk wrong tamane government of Assam pusi talk wrong tamane government of Assam pulo tante la ke Assam a council of ministers atum alam lo labange alang jum ajakong pikok lo 1995 aningkan ASDC hot MOU kasohi hot MOU sohi det penamat 6 schedule amended lo parliament atu ka amend ta prapik hangjang ciklo jonong petang det mange adeba bongo sena tu maning ke hang akam lo pojo amat ke claim ta pe prapik hala sohut non hill area a minister bang aja kong ave pusi pulo seta paragraph 14 along angding pi krep li along ke to dak la pu hello the governor may at any time appoint a commission to examine and report on any matter specified by him relating to the administration of the autonomous districts and autonomous regions in the state, including matters specified in clauses C, D, E, and F of sub-paragraph 3 of paragraph 1 of this schedule, or may appoint a commission to inquire into and report from time to time on the administration of autonomous districts and autonomous regions in the state generally and in particular, on the provisions of educational and medical facilities and communications in such districts and regions, the need for any new or special legislation in respect of such districts and regions, and define the procedure to be followed by such commission. Halada kopilomay pu commission governor aning hanglote appoint ame kopi PC ke chok chema pu ke lang ya phan kopi pi lo la commission ke lang nahi hala so commission ke lang nahi ke C abang ke B konana lo C jadi kalang C D E F C get create a new autonomous district, increase the area of any autonomous district, diminish the area of any autonomous district, unite two or more autonomous districts or parts thereof so as to form one autonomous district. Lake ilitum Karbi Anglong area pijum hak sita claim un pethe muchot sita claim un lapen ilituma district kopilone along ba ituma district apart kopini apart Aceh aphuthak kopini a district along pacerap dun lok sita claim un lapen la so bangge la commission tum pensi claim nangi lapen hala a commission non HAD minister ke phodun lok ke piloma ladak pulo the report of every such commission with the recommendations of the governor with respect thereto shall be laid before the legislature of the state by the minister concerned. Minister concerned. Tamane HAD minister. Together with an explanatory memorandum regarding the action proposed to be taken thereon. Aphuthak by governor pulo, non ke by government of Assam. 1995 in Incan, ASDC hood. Lapen, in allocating the business of the government of Assam among his ministers, the governor may place one of his ministers specially in charge of welfare of the autonomous districts and autonomous regions in the state. Autonomous district welfare kaduk away. Kelang ye phan ilitum HAD minister phan pikoklo. Commission selam det pen ko PPC claim nangi ma puta ke tokji ta ilitum HAD minister si tokji. Athema ladak together with explanatory memorandum pulage jadi hala explanatory memorandum ke tokji ke matlo alage hill area minister lage alang li si tokji lapen cabinet along place ji lapen assembly along place ji ante CM aning ke hang aling pen le ke claim unji gali minister ta aja kong duko po anajir ke ding ke ilitum inglong aso a minister matsi itum a CM ke ilitum siksidul aja kong kacihar jak abang lo po amasi alang lipan padigdar de deadlo non ke bangamuni lagi itum adet nang che right tip ji akhe itum lake bongo bhumi ka pe man ji itum sinon ke itum adet ahem pu ke man non ke lake ilitum CM phan arju je pinda lage claim det po lapen ko puson je claim det po ilitum national party pina BJP के national party बा कांग्रेस इतना नेशनल पार्टी बोले ते हाई कमांड अलाम सी ला इतुम HAD मिनिस्टर ता ट्रॉय जी ला पेन इतुम CM ता ला सी ट्रॉय दुन जी HAD मिनिस्टर बा CM अपन डायरेक्ट पुपेदा जी बांगे चलाको पुपेदा जी कि पूजी खा अमित शाह भान से पूजी अमित शाह भान थान नपो सन ऑर्डर पिनोन पुपो कलिते हिमंत शर्मा भान पुपो तुलिराम भान सन पापे क्लेम नोन पुपो आनके इलितुम बंगो भूमि अलीदार सी इलितुम CM भान पापे क्लेम तोय पो इनडायरेक्टली सी क्लेम जी लतुम के डायरेक्टली के क्लेम क्ले